Right now we are looking at WTI crude oil 1 hour chart. Let us analyze what has already happened. So WTI crude oil has made a low and then it bounced it off. There has to have something to the left, or any order block, any fair value gap, any demand zone. We are not much concerning about that demand zone right now because we are in future of this event. So this event has become a reference to another bounce as a demand zone. So if it is a demand zone, then we can say that this order block will not work. It should not work. Hence the marking of break of structure. It means that since it has taken this demand, what we are expecting is it should go up at least up to this level. It should take out all these stops. Right now what I want to see on a lower time frame is, for example, on a 5-minute time frame, I would like to see a break of structure. After break of structure, I will try to analyze how I can get inside the trade. It is almost touching it. Your mitigation zone will be here somewhere. This will be your another demand zone after this break of structure. So what I am expecting is something like this. Maybe it will work, maybe it will not work, but let us see what potential it has. So per se, if we are using 1 to 9.5, that's it for now. Let us see how it pans.